Imagine navigating a website on your phone. The text is too small, buttons refuse to work, and you're squinting just to read. Frustrating, isn't it? This is the reality for many users on websites that lack mobile responsiveness. It's more than just a minor annoyance. It's a roadblock to engagement, trust, and ultimately, conversions. In a world where a significant slice of web traffic comes from mobile devices, mobile-friendly designs are not an option. They are a necessity. So, how do you transform your website into a mobile haven? Here are a few tips. First, adopt a responsive design, one that adjusts to any screen size. Secondly, optimize your load times for mobile. No one wants to wait for slow-loading pages. Next, keep your navigation simple. A cluttered menu can be overwhelming on a small screen. Also, test your website across multiple devices to ensure a seamless experience for all users. And lastly, prioritize your important content. Your users should see what's most important first. Remember, if you need more tips or assistance, Fearless Marketer Media is here to help. Follow us for daily updates and suggestions. Let's make the mobile web a better place for your company and your customers.